Worried about the digital Wild West and keeping your Kraken funds safe? Ever wake up in a cold sweat wondering if your crypto is truly secure? You're not alone. In an increasingly interconnected world, where digital assets are becoming more central to our financial lives, the question of security isn't just a technical one, it's a personal one. It's about peace of mind. It's about protecting your hard-earned investments from bad actors, sophisticated scams, and even simple oversight. For many, the world of cryptocurrency can feel a bit like uncharted territory. We hear the headlines, hacks, breaches, lost funds, and it can be daunting. You've taken the first step by choosing a reputable exchange like Kraken, known for its robust security infrastructure. But simply having an account isn't enough. Just as you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, you can't assume your digital vault is impenetrable without taking proactive measures. This isn't just about preventing catastrophic losses, it's about building good digital hygiene habits that will serve you across your entire online presence. Think of it as empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to navigate the digital landscape safely. Because in this rapidly evolving space, knowledge truly is your best defense. So, if you're ready to stop worrying and start safeguarding your crypto, if you're ready to take control of your digital financial future, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the practical, actionable steps you can take right now to significantly enhance the security of your funds on Kraken. We're going to cover everything from the foundational basics that are often overlooked to more advanced strategies that can provide an extra layer of protection. This isn't a theoretical discussion, it's a hands-on guide to securing your digital wealth. Let's get started. Understanding the fundamentals, your digital fortress on Kraken. Before we dive into specific security features, let's quickly understand the landscape. Kraken, like other major exchanges, employs a multi-layered security approach. They utilize cold storage for a significant portion of user funds, implement robust encryption, and have dedicated security teams. However, the weakest link in any security chain is often the human element. Your actions, or inactions, can either fortify or compromise your account. Think of your Kraken account as a digital fortress. Kraken provides the strong walls, the gates, and the guards. But you hold the keys, and your vigilance is crucial. Our goal today is to make those keys as secure as possible and to ensure you're using all the available defenses. Phase 1. Fortifying the foundation, essential security measures. Let's begin with the absolute must-haves, the foundational elements that every Kraken user should implement. These are often the first lines of defense, and neglecting them is like leaving your digital front door wide open. 1. The unbreakable password, your first line of defense. This might sound obvious, but it's astonishing how many people still use weak, easily guessable passwords. Your Kraken password needs to be a fortress in itself. Length is key, aim for at least 12 to 16 characters. Longer is always better. Complexity is crucial, mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words, personal information, or sequential patterns. Uniqueness is non-negotiable. Never reuse passwords, especially not for your email, banking, or other crypto accounts. If one service is compromised, all your accounts become vulnerable. Password managers are your friends. Seriously, if you're not using a password manager like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden, start now. They generate strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and securely store them. This eliminates the need to remember complex strings of characters and significantly reduces your risk. Actionable tip: go to your Kraken account settings right now and change your password if it doesn't meet these criteria. Even if you think it's strong, consider changing it regularly, perhaps every 3 to 6 months. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, the indispensable shield. This is perhaps the single most impactful security measure you can enable. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the second factor. Kraken offers several 2FA methods, and we'll go through them. Authenticator apps, TOTP, highly recommended. This is generally considered the most secure and convenient 2FA method. Apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator generate a new, time-based one-time password, TOTP, every 30 to 60 seconds. How to set it up? Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to Security, then to FA Settings. Select Authenticator App, TOTP. Kraken will display a QR code and a secret key. Scan the QR code with your chosen Authenticator app. Enter the code generated by your app into Kraken to confirm. Crucial tip: when setting up your Authenticator app, write down the secret key, seed, and store it securely offline. This key is essential for recovering your 2FA if you lose or damage your phone. Treat it like gold. Consider using a physical notebook or a secure, encrypted drive. Do not store it on your phone or in an easily accessible cloud service. YubiKey, hardware security key, the gold standard for advanced users. For the absolute highest level of security, consider a hardware security key like a YubiKey. These are physical devices that you plug into your computer or tap to your phone to authenticate. They are resistant to phishing and malware. How to set it up? The process is similar to Authenticator apps, but you'll register your YubiKey with Kraken. Why it's better? Unlike TOTP, which can theoretically be phished if you're tricked into entering the code on a fake site, YubiKeys cryptographically verify the legitimacy of the website you're logging into. Why SMS2FA is not recommended for crypto exchanges. While convenient, SMS2FA is vulnerable to SIM swap attacks, where attackers trick your mobile carrier into porting your phone number to their device, allowing them to receive your SMS codes. Kraken does offer SMS2FA, but it should only be used as a last resort, and ideally, not at all for your main login. Actionable tip: enable 2FA for your Kraken login immediately using an Authenticator app. If you're serious about security, invest in a YubiKey. 3. Account lock setting, your proactive defense against unauthorized activity. Kraken allows you to set an account lock feature. This is a powerful tool to prevent unauthorized withdrawals or changes to your account, even if someone gains access to your password and 2FA. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.